Y'all, I got a wild hair up my ass and I'm not even sure this is gonna work. I didn't dress up for y'all. I got my hair tied back because this is one of those fly by the seat of my pants videos. I've got some day old bread here that I made yesterday, and I'm going to use it to make some French bread, but I'm going to do something a little different. I ain't never done this before. I've seen recipes online where people are using extracts and making flavored French toast. So I got the bright idea of using coffee creamer. This bread has been folded up in this kitchen towel overnight and it's starting to go stale, and that's the perfect texture for French toast. I'm also using my magic bullet for this because it's going to be faster to whip up the egg. And I'm going to use my usual trick of adding a little bit of baking powder to my eggs. There you go, quick and easy. This is a lot faster than whipping the eggs up by hand, so this little magic bullet comes in real handy. I'm using a paper plate for this because I don't want to dirty up another dish. So I'm going to put my bread down on the plate and I'm going to pour the egg over the bread very slowly so it'll soak up the egg. Okay, now you can see that it's soaked up almost all of the egg. It's ready to fry now. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of butter. And I'm only going to melt half of the butter. Now I'm going to transfer this toast over to the pan. And I'm going to cook this toast slowly because that coffee creamer has sugar in it and it will burn really quickly. And I don't want my French toast to burn. Okay, I can smell it starting to get caramelized. Okay, that's what the other side looks like. And there's the other half of that butter. And in between cooking slices, I like to take my pan off the heat. Kind of cool the pan a little bit because I don't want the toast to burn. French toast waits for no one. So that's the coffee creamer version. Okay, now I'll try the pumpkin spice coffee creamer version. And in that pumpkin spice coffee creamer, the cinnamon was more forward than the other pumpkin spice ingredients, the nutmeg and the cardamom that's in it. If this works. It worked. Coffee creamer works in French toast. All you have to do is replace the milk or the cream, whatever you're using, with whatever flavored coffee creamer you want to use, and you've got a winner. So long as you like the flavor, it's going to work. And use different syrups. You can use chocolate syrup, caramel, whatever. Try using the coffee syrups. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to expand on this. Add nuts with it too. That'd be cool. Chocolate and hazelnut. Haven't even put syrup on it. I don't know what that would taste like, but you can see the toast. I'll show you. That bread is really thick, even though it absorbed the milk and cream and everything. This is why you need to use homemade stale bread in thick cut slices for making French toast. It's really the only way to make it. Even using store-bought Texas toast, it's still an enriched bread, and it's got some moisture in it already. You have to dry it out in an oven to make it work. I'm gonna try it with a little bit of syrup. This is pancake syrup that doesn't have high fructose corn syrup in it. It's just sugar. Well, that's it, y'all. Make you some French toast with coffee creamer. It's really good. See y'all later.